What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back for another video, and today I'm going to show you how to purchase XRP on Coinbase. Alright, so let's get straight into the video. What you want to do is download Coinbase if you have not already. You want to create your account, open it up, and then once you get to the home page, go to the bottom left and select buy and sell. And so once you select that, you select buy and type in XRP in the search bar. I already have it right there, so I just selected it. And now here's the point where you enter the dollar amount of XRP you want to buy, or you can swap it and select that blue 0 XRP, and you can put in the XRP coin amount that you want to do. So it's really your preference if you want to choose a dollar amount or the coin amount, and then type in the amount you want to buy. And then at the bottom, you select payment method. And so you add the payment method. If you're new, it'll walk you through the process of adding it. If you already have it, you just select it. And then when you're done with that, select review order. And right here it says buy 5 XRP. It gives you the amount, the current dollar amount of XRP. And then at the bottom, it tells you your total after the taxes and fees have been added. And then once you're ready to purchase, you just select buy now. And then your order will be submitted. And it's just like that, guys. It's so easy. Once you're done, it'll take you to the transactions page, and you can just swipe down on the page to refresh, and eventually your order will appear. It takes a couple minutes, sometimes about 5 minutes. If the system is, if there's a little latency, a lot of people are trying to buy, sometimes it takes a little longer, but you just keep refreshing and eventually it will show up. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.